Let's look at this question of functions. The question says, functions f and g are both defined for this domain. X is an element of real number. That means all real values of x. Fx is quadratic, gx is quadratic. By first expressing each of fx and gx in completed square form, express gx in this form where p and q are constants. Second part. Now it says, describe fully the transformation which transforms the graph of fx onto the graph of gx. So basically, it's a question about completing square, and related to that is the transformation of graphs. So let's first start with completing square. Fx equals to x square minus 2x plus 5. Make sure coefficient of x square should be 1. If it's not 1, we would have taken common throughout. Now, what goes over here? Half the coefficient of x, minus 1, minus 1. Then you would rewrite this thing as x minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4. This is fx. Similarly, let me push this thing to the side first. If I have gx, which is x square plus 4x plus 13. That is x square plus 4x plus bracket square minus bracket square plus 13. What goes inside the bracket? Half the coefficient of x. And then you would rewrite this thing as x plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 13, that is plus 9. If I do comparing coefficient with our standard form, ax minus h whole square plus k, ax minus h whole square plus k, and a is 1, they both are graphs of minimum. And h is 1 and k is 4, therefore the coordinate of the turning point is 1, 4. Over here, h is minus 2 and k is 9, therefore the coordinate of the turning point is minus 2, 9. What do you see? You see that the x coordinate 1 has become minus 2. What are we transforming? We are obtaining gx from fx. Express gx in the form fx plus p plus q, where p and q are constants, and furthermore, which transform fx onto gx. So fx is this one. 1 is becoming minus 2. That means the graph is shifted horizontally 3 units to the left. That is the first thing that I've observed. What is the second thing? The second thing is the y value 4 becomes 9. That means graph is translated or shifted, but the thing is it's now vertical. So over there, above was horizontal, this is vertical, 5 units up. That means, how can I say this? I can say that fx is becoming gx, and in the equation of fx, what I am doing is that fx something and plus something. That plus something is easy to write, which is 5. And over here, it's 3 units to the left, so this is plus 3. So the graph of gx is f bracket x plus p plus q. So this is the value of p and this is the value of q. Describe fully the transformation, that's already explained. So if I cannot understand, explain this thing in the first part, how will I get this equation? So basically, just rewrite this thing over here. That fx is first shifted horizontally 3 units left, and you can say vertically 5 units up. So these are the two combination of transformation that transforms fx into gx.